Welcome to Wood Arena, your window into the fascinating world of logging, wood processing, and timber production. Today, we'll follow a seamless journey from standing trees in the forest to precision-cut timber and valuable wood products. Along the way, you'll see incredible machines at work, each with a purpose in this vital industry. Our journey begins deep in the forest, where harvesting doesn't end when the trees are felled. Beneath every cut trunk lies a stubborn reminder of the forest's past, the stump. Removing stumps is essential, whether for replanting, land clearing, or preventing pests that live in decaying wood. Here, the John Deere 7730 tractor is paired with the Rotor S stump crusher, a formidable combination designed to make short work of even the toughest root systems. The 7730 provides the muscle. Its powerful diesel engine delivers steady torque, while its rugged build handles the uneven forest floor. The Rotor S attachment is where the magic happens. Instead of simply pulling stumps out of the ground, it pulverizes them. Heavy-duty rotating teeth grind the wood and roots into mulch, which can be left in place to enrich the soil. This method saves time, reduces the need for hauling away debris, and leaves the land ready for its next purpose. For forestry companies, efficiency is key. A machine like this not only speeds up land preparation, but also reduces labor costs. For landowners, it's a way to reclaim land that might otherwise stay idle for years. And for reforestation efforts, stump grinding ensures young trees have a clear, fertile space to grow. It's the first step in our timber journey, removing what's left behind so that the cycle of growth, harvest, and renewal can continue. Once the land is ready, it's time to work with the standing timber. The John Deere 1470D Eco 3 harvester is built for just that. Designed for heavy timber, this machine can fell, delimb, and cut logs to precise lengths in one smooth operation. Inside the operator's cab, advanced controls and measuring systems help maximize yield from each tree. The Eco 3 engine ensures fuel efficiency without sacrificing power, making it a trusted partner in sustainable forestry. Every cut is calculated, every movement purposeful, turning towering hardwoods into uniform logs ready for the next stage. With logs prepared, the next step for certain types of wood is chipping, a process that transforms whole trees into uniform wood chips. These chips are used for everything from paper production to biomass energy. Here we see the Albbach Diamont 2000, one of the most advanced mobile chippers on the market. What makes it remarkable is its ability to handle entire trees in minutes. Massive feed rollers pull in trunks and branches, guiding them toward the chipping drum. The heart of the Diamont 2000 is its precision engineering. Blades mounted on the drum slice the wood into consistent chip sizes. Consistency matters. Whether the chips are destined for pulp mills or biomass boilers, uniformity improves efficiency in the next stage of production. This chipper isn't just powerful, it's also mobile. Mounted on a self-propelled chassis, it can drive directly to the work site, saving the need to haul raw material long distances. The operator controls everything from a comfortable, climate-controlled cab with an excellent view of the process. For the forestry industry, machines like this bridge the gap between raw logs and industrial-grade materials. By producing clean, uniform chips on-site, they help reduce transportation costs, improve processing quality, and make the most of every harvested tree. While the previous Diamont 2000 worked deep in the forest, this one operates in an agricultural and composting setting. The group QUICLETAGRICOMPOST team uses their Albbach chipper to process wood for biomass fuel and soil improvement. Here, wood isn't just a byproduct. It's part of a carefully managed resource cycle. Farmers and land managers bring in branches, prunings, and logs that would otherwise go to waste. The Diamont turns them into a valuable commodity, chips that can feed biomass boilers or be used as mulch. One key feature of this setup is versatility. The chipper can handle different wood types, moisture levels, and sizes without constant adjustments. This adaptability is crucial in agriculture, where feedstock is rarely uniform. From an environmental perspective, it's a win-win. Instead of burning wood waste in open piles, which releases smoke and particulates, chipping allows it to be converted into renewable energy. And for the operators, there's an economic benefit too. Selling wood chips can create an extra income stream. What's striking here is how the same machine we saw in industrial forestry adapts perfectly to a farmyard. Whether feeding a boiler, enriching soil, or producing clean biomass fuel, the process shows that wood processing technology isn't limited to one industry. It's part of a larger, interconnected system of sustainable resource use. Albbach's precision engineering ensures wood chips meet exacting standards, ideal for energy production, reducing waste, and maximizing every cubic inch of raw timber. Not all wood products need fine chipping. Some applications call for coarse shredding, and the Dopp DW3060 is built for the job. With slow speed, high torque grinding, it tears through bulky material, roots, oversized branches, and scrap, producing consistent pieces for composting, fuel, or further processing. In this step, we follow the transformation from raw log to perfectly screened wood chips. First, the logs are fed into a chipper, breaking them down into smaller pieces. These chips then pass through a vibrating screen system, which separates them by size. The fine material can be used immediately for applications like animal bedding or garden mulch. Medium-sized chips are ideal for biomass boilers, providing efficient, steady combustion. Oversized pieces are sent back through the chipper for reprocessing, ensuring nothing goes to waste. This level of sorting improves product quality and consistency, which is essential in both industrial and consumer markets. It's a simple but powerful example of how modern wood processing eliminates inefficiency, turning every part of a harvested tree into something useful. Work. These machines take large logs, sometimes over a foot in diameter, and split them into uniform pieces ready for drying and sale. The process begins by cutting the logs into standard lengths using a hydraulic saw or circular blade. These lengths are then fed into the splitter, where a powerful hydraulic ram forces the wood against a steel wedge. Depending on the wedge design, the log may be split into halves, quarters, or even smaller pieces in one stroke. Some advanced splitters combine cutting, splitting, and even conveyor loading in a single integrated machine. This setup greatly reduces manual labor, improves throughput, and increases safety for operators. From an industry standpoint, firewood production is about more than just splitting logs. It's about creating a consistent, ready-to-burn product. Moisture content is carefully managed, and many operations now package firewood for retail sale in grocery stores and home improvement centers. These machines also play a role in forest management. By processing offcuts and lower-grade logs that aren't suitable for lumber, they help ensure nothing is wasted. Even crooked or partially decayed logs can be turned into valuable heating fuel. For the end customer, it means a warm home on a winter's night. For the producer, it's another way the forestry cycle generates both economic and environmental benefits. In Normandy, France, Biocombustibles SAS specializes in producing high-quality biomass fuel. Their operation combines chipping, screening, and drying to create wood fuel that meets strict European standards. They source wood from local forests and farms, supporting regional economies and reducing transport emissions. Each batch of chips is tested for moisture content, size, and cleanliness, ensuring optimal performance in biomass boilers. This focus on quality means customers get consistent energy output, and equipment lasts longer due to fewer impurities. It's a great example of how local processing plants can add value to raw forestry material while promoting renewable energy. From stump to sawmill, from chips to firewood, the journey of wood is one of skill, innovation, and sustainability. Thanks for joining us. There's always more to explore in the world of timber.